Psychology facts about human behavior that will blow your mind. We automatically perceive people who smell good as more attractive. A study found that men feel more emotional pain after a breakup than women do. Studies have shown that women cannot be just friends. There are words 0 to 21. Some people consider sperm to be an anti-aging treatment, as it has a tightening effect on the non-skin. Sleep-deprived men are more likely to believe women want to have sex with them. Women who are into kinkier sex may be psychologically healthier. 0 to 44, being the most fertile. 62, with 11% of women having the highest sex drive. Some women experience the same feeling of arousal when thinking about food as when having sex. Some women experience the same feeling of arousal when thinking about food as when having sex. Some women experience the same feeling of arousal inside the female body. Do the math and be careful. Number 3, there have been documented cases of live sperm discovered 8 days after sex. Number 22, only 18% of women orgasm on vaginal penetration alone while having sex with a partner. Having an orgasm releases an anti-diuretic hormone, which is why you probably find yourself unable to pee right after sex. You should pee as soon as possible after sex to prevent urinary tract infections. 1. A blowjob is the #1 sexual act desired by straight men. According to a study in 2010, 1/3 of Brits reported having a sex injury. The largest penis on record is 18.9 inches long. The owner says it has ruined his life. 37% of women reported regularly using a vibrator with their sexual partner during intercourse. It's possible for women to achieve orgasm from breast stimulation alone. According to a 2008 survey of sex therapists, sex is too short when it lasts 1 to 2 minutes. Adequate is 3 to 7 minutes, and desirable is 7 to 13. If you're still going at 30 minutes, most people will think it's too long. A study estimates that 15% of women have experienced an orgasm during exercise. Some claim that 30% even more. According to a survey of adults aged 20 to 59, women have an average of 4 sex partners during their lifetimes, and men have an average of 7. Some sexual dysfunction can stem from how a woman feels about the appearance of her genitals. Love your body, all of it. Festival goers would rather spend time doing drugs, drinking, and having sex than watching the concert they paid big money to see. Women with higher testosterone levels might be more interested in masturbation than in having sex with someone else. New moms are ready to have sex sooner than the 6-week wait period instructed by their doctor. Nipples are erogenous zones because the sensation of hardened nipples travels to the same part of the brain as sensations from the vagina, cervix, and the clitoris. 355. About 75% of men always reach orgasm during sex. What reason? A study found that good sex triggers the region of the brain associated with falling in love. Men who have sex at least twice a week can almost have their risk of heart disease, according to a 2010 study. Still have that condom from a while back. Toss it. The average shelf life of a latex condom is 3 to 5 years. It's a good idea to keep your own condoms because you don't know how long your partner's been holding on to his. Condoms kept in wallets for over a month are more likely to break. 1 orgasm a day may decrease a man's risk of prostate cancer. 4. Sex is 10 times more effective than Valium. 5. Shaving your pubic area increases your chances of spreading an STI. A woman's butt sticks out 25% more when she is wearing heels. Many of the worst STI you can contract have absolutely no symptoms at all for up to 3 to 5 years. The clitoris has over 8,000 nerve endings, more than any other part of the human body. The average person has about 700 thoughts per day. 3. Testosterone, present in both men and women, plays a crucial role in sexual desire. 545. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter, is released when we anticipate rewards, driving motivation. Studies suggest that sexual satisfaction is linked to overall which is why it's often used in food logos. About 1% of the population identifies as asexual, experiencing little or no sexual attraction. Your brain is more creative when you're tired, as it's less inhibited by distractions. Women's sexual preferences may vary across their menstrual cycle due to hormonal changes. 6.